In this video, we aim to clarify the VA claims process for veterans, providing a comprehensive overview of the essential steps involved. Navigating this process can often be daunting, and our goal is to demystify it, ensuring that veterans understand what to expect at each stage. Understanding each step is crucial, as it can significantly reduce the chances of delays and confusion that many veterans face when filing their claims. By breaking down the process, we hope to empower veterans with the knowledge they need to advocate for themselves effectively. Whether you are a first-time claimant or have navigated the system before, this video is designed to equip you with the tools necessary for a successful claim. Join us, hit the like and subscribe button as we explore the intricacies of the VA claims process, ensuring that you are well prepared to take the next steps in securing the benefits you deserve. The VA claims process is a vital pathway for veterans seeking benefits and support, consisting of an 8-step procedure that ensures claims are thoroughly reviewed and processed. The first step involves submitting a claim, where veterans provide essential information about their service and the benefits they are seeking. Following this, the VA conducts a review of the claim, which includes gathering necessary evidence and documentation. The third step is the decision-making phase, where the VA evaluates the claim based on the submitted information. If approved, veterans receive their benefits. If denied, they can appeal the decision. The remaining steps involve the appeals process if necessary, and the finalization of benefits distribution. Significantly, the VA has made improvements to its online claim status tool, allowing veterans to track their claims in real time, which enhances transparency and reduces anxiety during the waiting period. This tool is a game changer, providing veterans with immediate access to updates and information about their claims. However, it is crucial for veterans to ensure that they have accurate information and documentation at each step of the process. Inaccuracies can lead to delays or denials, making it essential to double-check all submissions. By understanding this 8-step process and utilizing the available resources, veterans can navigate the claim system more effectively and secure the benefits they rightfully deserve. When a claim is first submitted to the VA, it marks the beginning of the evaluation process, indicating that the VA has officially received the claim. This initial acknowledgement is crucial, as it sets the stage for the subsequent steps in the claims process. At this point, it is essential for veterans to ensure that all the initial information provided is accurate and complete. Any discrepancies or missing details can lead to delays or complications later on, potentially hindering the approval of benefits. Therefore, taking the time to double-check all entries before submission can make a significant difference in the outcome of the claim. Additionally, veterans are encouraged to keep track of their submission for future reference. This includes saving any confirmation emails or documents received from the VA, as these records can be invaluable if questions arise, or if there is a need to follow up on the claim status. Maintaining organized documentation not only helps in tracking the claim, but also serves as a safeguard against potential issues. By understanding what happens after a claim is submitted and emphasizing the importance of accuracy and record-keeping, veterans can navigate the VA claims process with greater confidence. This proactive approach will ultimately contribute to a smoother experience as they seek the benefits they have earned through their service. The initial review process conducted by the VA is a critical step in the claims evaluation, where the agency checks for basic information to ensure that the claim is valid and complete. During this phase, the VA verifies essential details such as the veteran's name, social security number, and service information. This verification is crucial, as any discrepancies or inaccuracies can lead to delays in processing the claim. Therefore, it is imperative for veterans to provide accurate documentation from the outset to facilitate a smooth review process. Inaccurate or incomplete information can result in requests for additional documentation or clarification, which can prolong the overall timeline for receiving benefits. To mitigate this risk, veterans should take the time to carefully review their submissions and ensure that all information is correct. It is also advisable for veterans to verify their information with their claims agent or attorney before submitting the claim. These professionals can provide valuable guidance and help identify any potential issues that could arise during the review process. By collaborating with a claims agent or attorney, veterans can enhance the accuracy of their documentation and increase the likelihood of a timely approval. Understanding the importance of this initial review process empowers veterans to take proactive steps, ultimately leading to a more efficient claims experience and a quicker path to the benefits they deserve. The evidence-gathering stage of the VA claims process is a pivotal phase where the VA reviews the claim to ensure that all necessary evidence is included for a thorough evaluation. During this stage, the VA assesses the documentation submitted by the veteran, which may include medical records, service records, and any other relevant information that supports the claim. It is essential for veterans to understand that while the VA will conduct its own review, they should proactively gather and submit their own evidence to strengthen their case. By taking the initiative to compile comprehensive documentation, veterans can significantly enhance the likelihood of a favorable outcome. Waiting for the VA to request additional information can lead to potential delays in the claims process. If the VA identifies gaps in the evidence, they may issue a request for more documentation, which can prolong the evaluation timeline. This waiting period can be frustrating and may leave veterans in uncertainty regarding their claims. To avoid such delays, veterans are encouraged to be thorough in their initial submissions and to anticipate the types of evidence that may be required. By being proactive and organized in gathering evidence, veterans can help ensure that their claims are processed more efficiently, ultimately leading to a quicker resolution and access to the benefits they have earned through their service. The evidence review process by the VA is a critical component of the claims evaluation, where the agency meticulously assesses all submitted evidence to determine if further examination or additional information is necessary. During this stage, the VA examines the documentation provided by the veteran, including medical records, service history, and any other pertinent materials that support the claim. If the evidence is deemed insufficient or unclear, the VA may require further examinations or additional documentation, which can extend the review timeline. The volume of evidence submitted can significantly impact the review time. A large amount of documentation may lead to longer processing times, as VA staff must sift through all the materials to identify relevant information. Conversely, if the evidence is concise and directly related to the claim, it can facilitate a quicker review process. Therefore, veterans are encouraged to focus on submitting clear, relevant, and well-organized evidence that directly supports their claims. This approach not only aids the VA in making informed decisions, but also helps expedite the overall process. By being strategic in their submissions and ensuring that the evidence is both pertinent and succinct, veterans can enhance the efficiency of the evidence review process. Ultimately, this proactive strategy can lead to a faster resolution of claims and a more timely receipt of the benefits they deserve for their service. The VA determines the disability rating based on several key factors, primarily focusing on the severity of the veteran's condition and the evidence provided to support the claim. The rating decision is influenced by how the disability affects the veteran's daily life and ability to work, as well as the medical evidence that demonstrates the extent of the impairment. The VA uses a standardized schedule to assign ratings, which range from 0% to 100%, reflecting the degree of disability. Complex claims, such as those involving multiple conditions or secondary disabilities, can significantly impact processing times. For instance, a veteran with both physical injuries and mental health issues may face a longer evaluation period as the VA assesses each condition's contribution to the overall disability. These complex cases often require additional examinations and more extensive documentation, which can lead to delays in receiving a final rating decision. To ensure a fair and accurate rating, it is crucial for veterans to provide comprehensive and precise evidence that clearly outlines the severity of their conditions. This includes detailed medical records, personal statements, and any relevant documentation that supports their claims. By presenting thorough evidence, veterans can help the VA make informed decisions regarding their disability ratings, ultimately leading to a more equitable assessment of their service-related impairments and the benefits they are entitled to receive. The preparation of the decision letter by the VA is a crucial step in the claims process, as it formally communicates the outcome of the veteran's claim. This letter typically includes essential information such as the disability rating assigned, the effective date of the benefits, and a detailed explanation of the reasons for the decision. Additionally, The letter outlines the evidence considered during the review and provides information on how to appeal the decision if the veteran disagrees with the outcome. This transparency is vital for veterans to understand the basis of the VA's determination. Veterans can generally expect to receive this decision letter within a few weeks to several months after the completion of the evidence review process. The timeline can vary based on the complexity of the claim and the volume of cases the VA is handling at that time. It is important to clarify the difference between the notification letter and the rating decision. The notification letter is sent to inform veterans that their claim has been received and is under review, while the rating decision is the final determination regarding the claim, including the assigned disability rating and benefits. Understanding these distinctions helps veterans navigate the claims process more effectively and prepares them for the next steps, whether that involves accepting the decision or considering an appeal. The final review process conducted by a senior reviewer is a critical step in ensuring the accuracy and integrity of the claims evaluation. The senior reviewer plays a vital role in this phase, meticulously examining the claim to confirm that all evidence has been appropriately considered and that the rating decision aligns with the established guidelines. This additional layer of scrutiny helps to minimize errors and ensures that veterans receive a fair assessment of their claims. The senior reviewer checks for consistency in the documentation, verifies that the correct procedures were followed, and ensures that the rationale for the decision is clearly articulated. This step is essential in the overall claims process, as it serves as a safeguard against potential mistakes that could affect the outcome. By having a senior reviewer involved, the VA reinforces its commitment to providing accurate and just determinations, ultimately enhancing the credibility of the claims process. Veterans are encouraged to remain patient as their claims undergo these final checks. While it may be tempting to seek immediate updates, this thorough review is necessary to ensure that all aspects of the claim are properly evaluated. Understanding that this step is in place to protect their interests can help veterans feel more at ease during the waiting period. Ultimately, this diligence contributes to a more reliable and equitable outcome for those who have served. Veterans can easily access their decision letter by visiting the VA's official website, where they can view and download their documents securely. To do this, veterans need to log into their VA account using their credentials. Once logged in, they can navigate to the Claims section, where they will find a list of their claims and associated documents. By selecting the relevant claim, veterans can view their decision letter, which can then be downloaded for their records. This online access provides a convenient way for veterans to obtain important information regarding their claims without having to wait for physical mail. It is crucial for veterans to keep track of all correspondence related to their claims, including decision letters, notification letters, and any additional documentation received from the VA. Maintaining organized records can be invaluable for future reference, especially if there are questions or if an appeal is necessary. Veterans are also encouraged to familiarize themselves with the various online tools available through the VA's website. These tools can assist in tracking the status of claims, accessing benefits information, and understanding the appeals process. By utilizing these resources, veterans can stay informed and engaged in their claims journey, ultimately leading to a more empowered experience as they navigate the benefits system. In this video, we have covered the essential 8 steps of the VA claims process, each playing a significant role in ensuring that veterans receive the benefits they deserve. The process begins with submitting a claim, followed by an initial review, evidence gathering, and a thorough evidence review. Next, the VA determines the disability rating, prepares the decision letter, and conducts a final review by a senior reviewer. Each of these steps is crucial, as they collectively contribute to a fair and accurate assessment of claims, ultimately impacting the benefits veterans receive. Throughout this journey, it is vital for veterans to stay proactive and informed. By understanding each step and actively engaging with the process, veterans can help ensure that their claims are processed efficiently and effectively. Keeping track of documentation, utilizing online tools, and seeking assistance when needed can make a significant difference in the outcome. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share it with fellow veterans who may benefit from this information. By spreading awareness and support, we can help each other navigate the complexities of the VA claims process. Together, we can empower our community and ensure that every veteran receives the benefits they have earned through their service. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to providing more valuable insights in future videos.